My head hurts. One of the funniest things to me is when people fall, especially me. That hurt my head, but take two. I forgot to put the pin in it. I just don't feel like getting in it right now. I don't trust myself. I've been wanting one of these for so long. It's a king camp chair and it's a hammock chair. And it is just like being rocked to sleep. You feel like you're on a tropical beach somewhere. So on Prime Day, I finally got one of these king camp hammock chairs that I've been wanting. Even has a little pillow, has a place to put a beverage. Just amazing. Maybe I'll try it a little later when my head stops hurting. Next, I have something less dangerous. This is the Bodum French Press to go coffee maker mug all in one. I love to make French press coffee, but that is a little inconvenient on the road or camping in the woods. I like this a lot better than my previous pour over coffee because that always scared me. I was just nervous I was going to burn myself because it sat precariously on top of a mug. And it had a lid to keep it warm, but it was never hot. This is supposed to keep it hot. I just think this is the most amazing little French press. It has to brew 4 minutes and then you push down the plunger, good to go. Next up is the Nevo Rhino Hydro Pack backpack. Very small, very light. And I got it because I'm going to hike the Narrows, cross your fingers, in the fall. And I needed hands-free because you have huge walking sticks that they rent you in these special boots. You're hiking up the Virgin River. It's supposed to be one of the most amazing, beautiful hikes in Zion National Park. So that I could have hands-free to bring you guys along with my camera, and I'll have the walking stick in the other. I thought, I don't want to have to stop and in the middle of the water and get, a bottle of water out. So I thought I would try this backpack that has a water bladder and the tube. What does it do? It comes around and you can drink like that. I thought that was pretty nifty. So they have different price points, different brands. I'll leave a link. But excited to try this out and excited for that hike. Next up is not really camping gear, but for me personally, it is. It's called Spindrift, and it is a sparkling water drink with real squeezed fruit. It is pretty good. I don't even sweeten the stuff, if that tells you anything. But I thought I'd share with you this new drink because I like it better than LaCroix. To kick off my fall tour of the Mighty 5 National Parks in Utah, I'm gonna stop at Palo-Duro. It's outside of Amarillo. It's called the Texas Little Grand Canyon. The pictures are pretty amazing. And this time I'm not gonna solo camp. I am so excited to kick off this tour with my cousin Aldina. Al, thank you for braving the heat and the bugs and going on hikes and sitting around my campfire with me. I can hardly wait. I'm also very excited to announce that I am detailing my truck right now, getting it ready to sell. It's a Chevy Silverado, shout out to Tony Craft. I want to get like a Ford Connect van, the small ones. And this way, because of the gas mileage, which is phenomenal, I can go further, be out longer. I will feel safer. Because in the truck I felt safe sleeping, but I had to get out of the truck to do everything else in the tent, which I enjoyed. But if I'm going to go really far from home and be out for a while, or boondocking, I really like everything contained. I want to be able to go at a moment's notice and just have everything in one spot. So I'm already, sketching out some layouts and trying to get some ideas because they're very, very small. But I'm only a little over 5 feet, so I think it'll work. I'm so excited. I have a campfire meal for you, and I even built a campfire to show you, but it's been 105 here. I just can't make myself light a fire. So I thought I would show you the meal, and it can be done at a campfire. You put it under ashes. It's a foil dinner, very inexpensive, 3 or 4 ingredients, and my dad started making it. He just kind of made it up in his head. And when I was little, he fed us this all the time, and we loved it. So I'm 62, and I'm still eating it. I want to share it with you now, and it is quite simple. Just a campfire would just make it taste even better. So you're going to take a hamburger. I like grass-fed beef. Then you crumble it. I have the gloves because touching raw meat gives me the heebie-jeebies. Next, you can season your ground beef with Gourmet Burger by Weber. or your favorite rub that you have. She ain't pretty, but she's got a good personality. Simple, delicious. So my girl Sheridan showed me this, and it is delicious, especially for summer. You put tahini seasoning on watermelon. And I tried it with pineapple, and oh my. I ate about half a pineapple doing that. Delicious. Great summer treat. Hey you. Yeah, you. Have you gotten outside today? I know it's hot, but get up in the early morning. Set the tone for your day. Nice and cool, and you can stand it. Have you got some good goals this week, this month, this year? Write them down, because you've got what it takes inside of you. Don't let anyone tell you, especially your own head, to tell you a lie that you can't do something or you can't learn something. You know, when we learn new things and we put ourselves out there, it blesses and impacts other folks. So if you won't do it for yourself, do it for somebody else. So hope you're having a great week. Make those goals come true, and I'll see you down the road. Next, I have something much less dangerous. This is the Bodum. I'll leave a link in the description.